the vendor invoices as well as the customer invoices. Okay, good. The next one. Ma'am, go to this FB60 invoice, ma'am, and we will try to post the one invoice. Go to the transaction code FB60, and we will try to take out the calculated taxes and all. Okay, for the particular company code Bala. Continue and take out the vendor. Any vendor you can able to take out. Yes. And give the invoice date is 09.07.2023. And the amount is any amount, suppose 70,000, 60,000, anything, 45,000. 45,000, keep it. See here, you can just tick mark on the calculate tax. Tick mark on the calculate tax. No amount authorization. Give slash and go to the transaction code OB57. Go to the transaction code OB57 and remove this SAP user. Just give Bala. Click on the enter. Go to the server and save it. Continue. Then give slash and go to the transaction code FB60. Give your vendor directly. Now we will going to see it whether in this invoice for this particular vendor can we able to calculate the taxes and all. Just tick mark on the calculate tax and it is taking. Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Here. Take out the 1B input tax, right? For the vendor, we take input taxes and text is purchasing raw material from vendor. Purchasing raw material from vendor. Purchasing raw material from a vendor. Okay, then next GL account. Take out the GL account, that is raw material account, right? And give the amount in document currency, that is 60,000 rupees. Click on the enter, go to the simulate option. An entry is required, line item text field, and give the text. Click on the enter, it will take you to the text. Give the text. Raw material, okay, and give the business. Take out the business area. What is your business area for Bala? Okay, click on the enter. Now it is fine, right? Go to the simulate option. We will going to see the tax calculations things for this 60,000. Input CGST and input SGST. So you can just try to observe the point, all of you. 1,153 it is calculating. Why it is calculating 1,153? Error message still exists. Go to the error log. Go to this error log. You do one thing. Remove this thing. Go to the take out new session. Take out new session So we have given 4% and 2% is for the 260 1200. Remove this thing and go to the new session. Remove this thing, go to the new session and go to the transaction code OBBZ, OBBG, OBBG. Click on the enter. Go to the position and give your country. BATX is correct, right? Okay, give slash n. Give slash n. And go to this FB60 once again. No, I think that is already opened. FB60. Go to the save button. It is not coming, right? You do one thing. Double click on this raw materials. Text is there. Come back. Double click on this input CGST account.
Sir, I think a business area.
Can you give the text? Huh? What, ma'am?
Business area you want to assign, sir.
Okay, we will do it. So can you give the text? Give the text. Input CGST. Input CGST. Click on the enter, come back. Give the business area. Continue. Come back, one step back. And go to this input SGST account. Give the text and give the input SGST. Click on the enter. Business area. Continue, come back. So go to the save button and save. Okay, go to the document display option. Go to the document display option. Okay, this is the way you can able to calculate the taxes, percentages and all. Okay, and go to the transaction code F-53. You can able to clear this thing. F-53 transaction code. Give the document date and the amount. Give the document header text. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Go to this process operators. Sorry. Go to the document display option. Yes, you can able to see the amounts in this display. Okay. So this is the way we can able to clear the amounts for that thing. The next one, go to this transaction code FB70 and try to raise the invoice. Then calculate taxes and take out the 2B output tax. No, it is dropping down all these things. Take out the 2B. The next one is taxes. Selling the material to customer. Selling the material to customer. Material to customer. Sales account. And take out the amount. Click on the enter. 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 Give the text. Enter. Mm, Give the business area. Go to the simulate option. So now it is calculating output CGST taxes, right? And give the text test. Give the business area. Come back. Double click on output tax SGST also and give the text test and give the business area. Come back, save this thing. And go to the F-28 transaction code and try to clear the amount. Take out the bank account. Amount, give the amount. Take out the customer. Go to the process open items. Go to the process open items. Go to the save button and save it. So this is the way you can able to test the things all of you. So in SAP ECC.